Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. We put a 6-inch lift kit on it, some 20x10 wheels with a negative 24mm offset, and some 37 1350 R20 mud terrain tires. Now, starting from the very front, you do have to trim your valence. You can see right here we had to trim a little bit, however you don't have to touch your bumper. You also have to trim your inner fender just a little bit on the front of the fender to allow space for that tire to run. Making our way to the back, you do have to trim the plastic piece that goes at the bottom of your rear inner fender that goes around your body seam. However, you don't have to cut or fold or bend your body seam in order to fit this 37 on a 20x10. A 20x12, it would be a different story, but a 20x10 you don't. And then you have to trim your inner fender on the rear as well. So very minor modification. There's no metal or any type of cutting like that. There is just minor plastic trimming in order to get it to fit. If you don't want to do any trimming, I would recommend go with a 35-inch tire and you'll be good to go. But we are in the business of fitting the biggest tire with the smallest amount of lift. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love this Ram. It's this great colored gray with chrome bumpers and chrome wheels and chrome side steps and chrome door handles and chrome trim. I just want to buy it. I don't want to go to a dealer, buy a truck, bring it to you, get it lifted. I just want it done. If that's you, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page and scroll through all of the vehicles that are currently for sale on dealers' lots that you can call up and you can buy today. Hopefully you can find your perfect truck, Jeep, 4Runner, and go get it today. Again, if you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, give us a call or text. Also, if you want any parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, bumpers, fender flares, rails, headlights, tail lights, hoods, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.